Hey guys, I forgot to mention this last night during the recording of the news and nonsense, but according to the Wall Street Journal, Apple is working on iPhone features to help detect depression, cognitive decline. What? Then you can ask Siri or Alexa for a second opinion? Yeah, Apple is working on technology to help diagnose depression, aiming for tools that could expand the scope of its burgeoning health portfolio. Using an array of sensor data that includes mobility, physical activity, sleep patterns, typing behavior, researchers hope they can tease out digital signals associated with conditions to detect algorithms that can be. I don't know about this. I mean, if someone really has, personal issues, cognitive issues, do you really want to talk to Alexa or Siri? Do you want a machine telling you what to do? I mean, I could understand, machines, portable blood pressure machines that check your blood pressure and heart condition and stuff like that. That's okay, but something that's in your head, yeah, I'm not sure I want to have a conversation with Alexa to find out if I'm crazy.